How to sign FedEx electronically. Hey everybody, you may follow up this step in order to do so. So head over to fedex.com in any of your browser, or you may also use the application if you have. And then once the interface appears, what you can do is you may log in into your account. So from here, you may tap on the account option at the top, and there you should be finding login option. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, use your credentials in order to log in into FedEx. Like this, here you may enter up your user ID and password. Once you enter up your user and password and log it into your screen, what you need to do is go ahead and locate the option called Delivery Manager, something like this. After that, go ahead and choose the product that you would like to sign electronically for. And once you go ahead and locate up the product from the FedEx Delivery Manager section, what you need to do is there you should be finding a residential delivery option. So here we have this option for shipment. You can look up for the option called sign up for a package. So in order to sign up for a package electronically, you need to be authorized, and your package should be also authorized release of a package when you are not going to be home to receive it. After that is done, simply tap on sign for a package, and all you got to do is simply sign electronically. And once that is done, your FedEx product should be signed electronically. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.